How to fix a yellowish laptop display in Windows 11. So if the colors are off on your display or you see a slight yellow tint, then I'm going to show you 3 ways on how to go and fix this issue. Now the first thing you'll need to do is open up the Start menu on your PC and then click on Settings. From the left hand side, click on System and then press Display. Now where it says Night Light, make sure this is turned off and disabled. You could then click on Accessibility in the left hand side. Scroll down to Color Filters and make sure Color Filters are turned off and disabled like this. Now once you've done this, check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, open up your Start menu, search for Device Manager and click on this window here. Now click on the drop down next to Display Adapters, right click on your graphics card and press Update Driver. Now press Browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Go and choose your adapter and press Next. Now once you've done this, click on the drop down next to Monitors. If you see a monitor from the list, then we need to do the same by selecting Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers and let me pick from a list of available drivers. You can then select your monitor and press Next. Once you've gone through all of these steps, you will need to restart your computer and then your laptop screen should be back to normal.